Hi guys, today we are going to create this. Here the example of preset. First go to light, contrast plus 10, highlights negative 50, shadow plus 10, whites negative 2. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. Now go to color. Tint negative 25. Go to max. Now go to red color. Hue plus 40. Saturation negative 25. Next go to orange color. Saturation negative 20. Now go to yellow color. Saturation negative 100. Go to green color. Hue plus 100. Saturation negative 100. Now go to aqua color. Hue negative 100. Saturation negative 100. Go to blue color. Saturation negative 100. Now go to purple color. Saturation negative 100. Go to magenta color. Saturation negative 100. Next go to effect. Clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 10. Vignette negative 70. Feather up to 100. Highlights 30. Grain amount 5. Next go to detail. Sharpening 15. Masking 55. Noise reduction 25. Detail 100. Go to profiles in modern 8. And finish.